how to unblock someone on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can unblock someone on Twitch. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Twitch account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. In the options displayed, ensure you select settings and then you'll be taken to the settings page. On the settings page, you can see some tabs which includes profile, prime gaming, channel and videos, security and privacy. So select that. On the security and privacy page, you'll see a number of options like your email. You can see enable additional account creation. So scroll down until you can see the option blocked users. All right, and then the next step will be for you to enter in the username of the block users, or you can just click on show block users to see all of the block users that you have. Then once you can see all of this, you can now go ahead to unblock the person you want by selecting the username of the person. By the right side, you see the option on block and then click on it. That way that person will be unblocked and you can continue with whatever you're doing on your Twitch account. So this is basically it. This is how you can unblock someone on Twitch. Thank you for watching and have a good day.